Hey guys, it's Marella, and today I am cutting my curtain bangs myself, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I've had curtain bangs I think like since the summer, and I think that they're just the best way to liven up your hair if you're feeling a little bored. Just give you that little something. The way that I do this is super easy, so I hope this helps you guys. If you're ready to see how I do it, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is a hair razor. I don't really know like the exact name for it, I just call it a hair razor. I will link it in the description below. I got mine off of Amazon. There are a lot of different options, but this particular one with the kind of oil slick look matches my hair cutting scissors, so that's why I got this one. I just thought it was cute. Next, you want to separate out your bangs. So I'll just grab mine. If you don't have bangs to begin with and you don't know like where to cut, my tip is, I'll pull mine out first and then show you guys. You want to create a little like U shape in the front of your hair, and I'm going to take away these longer pieces so it's even. When you pull out this section of your hair, it's important that you don't go too far to the side so you don't have those little like shaggy bangs. I mean, if you want, you can, but I keep them kind of like more centered. And you don't want to go too far back on your hair, because then when you're actually styling your normal hair, the bangs will be coming from so far back, they'll be extremely thick. So this is my section. Now, I normally part my hair in the middle, so I'm going to just part it, and I'll do each side one at a time. So I like my bangs to fall about at my cheekbone, so I'm gonna cut off a good inch from these. The way that I do this is I hold it in front of me, and I kind of start to gently shred the hair, and I'll go in like a diagonal motion. So then the ones in the center are shorter than the ones on the end. So once I feel like they hit about where I want them to, I'll take the section on the top, so I'll kind of actually split this one in half. And I'll cut it again just a little. And this is going to give me a little bit of texture so that the ends of the bangs don't look too straight. Alright, so I like that length. I'm going to do the same to this side. Again, I'm going to start about here. I want it to be about an inch shorter. And the way that you do this, you just kind of like push the razor down onto the hair and it cuts it. So it needs to be a little shorter, so I'll do it again. And if you just want to, you know, shred it, that's what I call it, cut it. If you just want to cut it a little at a time, that's totally fine. You don't want it to be too short. You'd rather it be too long than too short. So I'll take the top section of this one again and do it a little more. And then I'll take the very center, and I'm going to see if the sides are even, and they're not. So this side needs to be a little shorter. So really quick, what I'm going to do off camera is I'm just going to round brush the bangs, and I'll come back to show you guys how they look. Okay, so here's the finished look. Literally all I did is I took this and put it underneath my bangs and blow dried them from the top, and then I separated them again, and here's how it turned out. Also, my hair is unstyled. This is just my natural straight hair. I didn't do anything to it, so you can see the bangs really help to like give you that little something if your hair is looking plain or you're just kind of feeling like it's too flat to your head, like me, because my hair is completely straight and I always feel like, oh, it's so flat to my head. So the bangs make me feel really cute, and the reason why I love curtain bangs is because it doesn't cover up my eyebrows. So I feel like I can be fabulous in both ways. Alright guys, I hope this helped you if you want to cut your own curtain bangs. I'm telling you, this for cutting layers in your hair, bangs, whatever, it is a lifesaver. It's so much better than using scissors because it's a lot harder to mess up with this and you're not like chopping them too short. Now remember, it doesn't matter if you had bangs already like I did or if your hair was the entire length of your hair. If you just kind of take out that little section, it's the same process. You just cut it to be as short as you want. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.